iQOO is about to launch its most powerful flagship yet. This is the iQOO 15, and it's bringing a display so advanced, it could leave even the iPhone 17 Pro Max behind. Today, iQOO product manager Galant V revealed on his Weibo posts that the upcoming flagship will feature significant upgrades in display technology. According to him, iQOO 15 will feature the Samsung 2K Everest display, also called the NB Plus panel. This isn't just another OLED screen. It's a 6.85-inch 2K panel with breakthrough transparency, color accuracy, and reduced reflections. iQOO says it's designed for clarity beyond what today's flagships can deliver. And the numbers are insane. This display goes from just 1 nit of gentle brightness all the way up to a blinding 6,000 nits. Yes, 6,000. That means whether you're scrolling in pitch dark or watching HDR content under direct sunlight, the iQOO 15 adapts perfectly. Here's where it gets even more interesting. The display also comes with an AR anti-reflection coating, a technology Apple only introduced on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And iQOO is already bringing it in, showing they're serious about competing with Apple's best. Now let's talk design. A leaked image gives us a partial look at the back panel, showing a white to red gradient finish with sleek rounded corners. It's bold, it's premium, and it feels like iQOO is stepping up its design game to match its performance. But of course, what's a flagship without performance? Under the hood, the iQOO 15 is expected to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, the most powerful chip on Android right now. And to keep that beast cool, iQOO is introducing the world's largest 8K vapor chamber cooling system. That's right, the largest cooling system ever seen on a smartphone. So whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, this phone is built to sustain maximum performance without throttling. With this mix of display innovation, raw power, and advanced cooling, the iQOO 15 is positioned as a performance-oriented big-screen flagship. And the target is clear, it's aiming squarely at Apple's Pro Max lineup. So here's the question, do you consider the iQOO 15 a challenger to iPhone 17 Pro Max? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this battle is about to get very interesting.